Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to show you how to peel a banana like a monkey. Yes, like a monkey. For all of my adult life, I have been doing this incorrectly. This trick is also awesome for kids, or if you have issues with arthritis, or if you just plain stink at opening bananas. Now, typically when you open a banana, you're going like this. You're trying to get it to pop and snap, right? So then you can peel down side by side. And sometimes if you can't get it to pop and snap, it gets all smushy around here, and then it's just a whole disaster. So I have an easy solution for you. This is gonna change the way that you peel bananas forever. All right, ignore the top. This part, no longer necessary. I know it seems cool, right? You can hang your bananas if you want to on there. But look at the end right here on this banana. There's sort of two sides. You got this side and you got this side. I like to pinch the harder of the side, and you can kind of feel the toughness right about here. Now you certainly could pinch more of the squishy side, but I think it helps to give it a bit more grip. Let me show you something super easy. Squeeze that and then watch it pop open just like that. Amazing. No more dealing with the end of the banana. Click the video on screen now if you want to learn how to peel a potato faster than ever. Give this video a thumbs up. That's very tasty, by the way. Subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.